Ya, asingene kuyona. Yasithi religion ke ungafocus kuma riches alelizwe. Focusa wena ekuthenini ufuna ukungena izulu, mhlazana udlula la emhlabeni. Uyazi ukuthi kufuneka ukuthi thina sijabulele ama riches alomhlaba. Kufanele thina sibuse yona into esayidalelwa lethi sibuse. Sibe ne dominion la emhlabeni. I-religion yakujiya konke lokho. Kwase ngazuthi wena uba umuntu bambhesha, umuntu ocebile. They are bashing that person as if akufuneki. Obani ongciwankulu abafika bazothatha ama resources alomhlaba. Yabo bakutshela ukuthi okweshumi yilokho kokuthi kumele ukuthi wondle isonto. Uyabona okweshumi part of what you earn is yours to keep. That 10%. That 10% will generate the stream of income for you, whether you work or not. From that 10%, you'll make the money to work for you. Where is alone. That is another interpretation. On top of the interpretation of that, your mind, your conscious mind is 10% and your subconscious mind is 90%. On top of that, that is something else as well. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esiwa khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Umhlaba mfethu unayo yonke into that has to offer. Ukuphila mfethu kumnandi futhi. Into yokuthenga futhi bafo iyadingeka. Yabo irrelevant religion with day-to-day life. It is irrelevant. Yabo. That is why uthola ukuthi abanye abantu they are not enthusiastic to go to church because it is irrelevant. Yabo. Ngasho mina if pastors can teach you if they tell you to tithe every time, they are telling you to tithe without giving you the proper financial literacy. They are joking. They are scamming you. Why can't they teach you the financial literacy? Where do they think you are going to take this 10% from? Where? You see? Ngoba labantu abafika bazo introduce leyo nto. Bona abayenzi bona. Ubona laba bethu bebala. Beze belale khona lapha. Yabo, baze belale khona lapha. Kodwa iqiniso lithi Ampela you live paycheck to paycheck. Bekungafuneki lokho. I-poverty le is a man-made thing. Ayona into natural le i-poverty. Is a man-made thing. Ya createwa i-system ngamabomu. Ukuze wena ube submissive. Ya createwa i-system ngamabomu. And ekudinga ukuthi ube rebellious ke kuleyo nto leyo. Uyayuzwa kuze kuphinde kuyuzwe ngisho izingane zakho. Awuboni ngani ukuthi konke wrong ne-education vele. Konke wrong. Uyazi ke na ukuthi into ayifiki ibe wrong kuphela lingekho iside eli right ngayo. Likhona eli right ngayo. Kodwa le mawukuthi nje you want to make generational wealth. You can't make generational wealth from this kind of education that is in the mainstream. You can't. It means you are not here for that. You are here to be used by someone else. Yeah, now while he or she is maintaining the legacy. Generations and generations to come. They are not giving you proper information. They vele mele kushintshe manje. We are shifting the paradigm in schools. Change the paradigm. Churches change the paradigm. Laphana akenikhuluma into ephilayo. Ayenikhuluma into ephilayo. Liberate people. Indlela abantu abacabanga ngayo iyona kanye baqindezelayo. yabo. Ngakhuluma ukuthi education akufuneki, kufuneka ikunike personal education, spiritual education, ikunikeze yes ne-academic education izokunikeza yona, but this kind of education esiyifundayo ayinayo i-financial education kuyona, ayinayo i-financial education, ayinayo i-spiritual education, ine-academic education yabo, ine-professional education yokuhamba wosebenza. All this, there are 5 levels of education that you need to get. That is the holistic education. Ayikho lapha. Now coming to indaba ye-religion. I-religion yazo perpetuate nje i-submissiveness, ube submissive. And the interpretation of the scripture is not what they say. It's not what they say. They say they are bringing you closer to God, whereas they are taking you away from. Christianity is not a religion. Christianity is a relationship with your Creator. Those people who call themselves Christianity, I don't know whether they understand what does that mean. They are doing something else religiously and then they associate that with Christianity. If you are at Christ, you shouldn't be in poverty and live paycheck to paycheck from hand to mouth. Because there is plenty of things, everything is in abundance there. That is the higher level of consciousness. Jesus, the Christ, has nothing to do with Jesus. The word that Jesus Christ, they call Jesus Christ. Christ is not the surname. You can be Christ now. You elevate your level of consciousness. You are Christ-like. That is the Christ-like consciousness. Yabo? Yonke ilifipiwe lento le. Ithenwe upside down. Mana ngutshele mina. Yabona uma ngabe usaqhubeka ukhulisa izingane zakho ngalendlela oyikhulisa ngayo nawe ukhuliswe ngayo. Ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi ayizukuphela ngawe lento yokuphila from hand to mouth. Iyoqhubeka njalo ngisho nawe ungasekho kogqilazwa izizukulwane zezizukulwane. Yabo lento yenza kanjani nayo lo rent. Uthi ngitshela lento bayenza kanjani. Lento yenzeke emalini iphinde yenze nakuwena. Yabo ama capitalist indlela operator ngayo. Operator kanje ama capitalist. Kazi ukuthi yamenza umuntu uthi ahambe mengahambi. Thothi umuntu akahambi nje. Iyamenza nobo driver amatekisi ihuthi umuntu uthi ahambe. Iyamenza. Hey, inkinga le. Ngicela ukulokhunja kanje na. Lokulokhunja kanje. Yabo emalini what they do. But mawuzothatha icapital uyi-invest. Yo capital izo-generator ama-returns, ne? Me-generate ama-returns. Those returns are going to generate returns as well. Shuthi capital is working for you, is your slave. And the children of the capital are also working for you. They are your slave. And the children of those children are also slaves. They are also working for you. So my question is not what they are also doing to you right now. Is it not what they are doing to you? You are working for them. Your children are going to work for them. Your children of your children are going to work for them as well. It is the problem is with the kind of education you receive. It doesn't even close. It is not even closer to emancipation, economic emancipation. No, it's not even closer there. Not to mention the religion. You see, these children, they are rebellious to go to church because now they say something does not add up there. They know exactly what they want, but they have been there. They are incarnated beings. Now they are in their genes on a cellular level. Something is not sure. Something does not add up. So they just, even children, they even ask who created this cool thing, because they say something is off here. Something is off, most. Eh? So this is a system. Eradicate yourself from the system. Out, shinchuk tabang.